everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to remove someone from your best friend list on Snapchat. To begin the process, open the Snapchat application. Once you open the Snapchat, you need to tap on the chat icon just beside the camera. Tap open that. So here you will find all the chat section, that is the people you are connected with, where you send snap and receive snaps. Here are the friend list over here. For you to remove someone from your best friend list, there is no direct option to remove your friend from the best friend list, as Snapchat only record best friend as the amount of snaps or the videos that you have sent to that person. The maximum number of snaps being sent is the person on the top list of your best friend. So all you have to do to remove someone is stop sending snaps to that person, and once the streak on Snapchat is getting lower, the person will also be removed from your Snapchat. The another way for how you can do it, you can just tap upon the person and hold the conversation for a while, and there you need to tap on manage friendship, and then you can do the remove friend option. It will remove your Snapchat friend from the best friend list right away. So these are the only two options available to remove someone from best friend list on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.